Hello everyone, welcome to Math Can Solve Box. Imagine you are helping a firefighter to place a ladder against a wall. Everything seems fine until someone asks what is the exact length of the ladder. Most students immediately reach for a calculator, but in exams, calculators cannot solve the problem for you. Today we are going to use algebra and Pythagoras theorem to uncover the answer. And here is the challenge. Can you find the length of the ladder before I do? Let's get started step by step. In this challenge question, a ladder, this is the ladder, leans against a vertical wall. This is the vertical wall. The base of ladder is 3 meter from the wall. From here up till here, this is 3 meter. The height the ladder reaches up the wall is x meter. This is x meter. And the length of ladder is x plus 1. We have to find an equation using Pythagoras theorem. As this is a right angle triangle. So, Pythagoras theorem is applicable. Pythagoras theorem is c square equals a square plus b square, where c is the hypotenuse and hypotenuse is the largest side. In this equation, this is c because this is the largest side, and you can choose one side a and one side b. So, after the substitution of hypotenuse, which is c, we can get the equation like this. A is x square plus b is 3, which is 3 square. We have to find the x. This is the equation for this problem with the help of Pythagoras theorem. Now we can solve this with the help of formula. This is whole square, and we know a plus b whole square equals a square, the square of first term, plus b square, the square of second term, plus, because here we have plus, 2 times a times b. So if we use this formula in equation 1, we get x square plus 1, square is 1, plus 2 times x times 1, which is ab, equals x square plus 9. And finally, we have x square plus 2x plus 1 equals x square plus 9. Now we can solve this quadratic equation. We can shift this x on other side. So for the shifting, we can subtract the same term on both sides. So to shift this on other side, the opposite of plus x here is minus x here. So subtracting x here on both sides, and plus x here minus x here, they will cancel out. Plus x here minus x here, and finally we get 2 times x plus 1 equals to 9, or 2x plus 1 equals 9. Again shifting this one on other side. So opposite of plus 1 is minus 1. So subtracting minus 1 on both sides. Plus 1 minus 1. Here is a mistake examiner see every year. Students find x, but they immediately move to the next question. But the examiner asked for the length of the ladder, not the value of x. Always circle the actual quantity being asked for before you start solving, like this, and like this. This simple habit can prevent mistakes and help secure extra marks. And just a final recap, as this triangle is right angle triangle, and we will use Pythagoras theorem here because the Pythagoras theorem is exactly for the right angle triangle, and the hypotenuse is the largest side of the right angle triangle. And I will see you in the next exam style question.